Mechatron Robotics introduces Logic Based Robo Kit. Give your children the chance to explore through our innovative kits. Get components including robot chassis, motors, and wheels to build creative robots. Build 4+ projects and 14+ types of robots using the step-by-step tutorial provided by us. Build creative bots like the white line follower bot, pit avoider bot, dark follower bot, motion detecting bot using IR, two-wheeled wired bot, and other projects that are mentioned over here. You will also learn about concepts of logic-based robotics or non-programmable robots. Control your output using remote. Step in the world of STEM learning with us and develop innovative skills. So, join the best platform to develop your creativity and build the necessary 21st century skills. Happy learning!